Sorry, actually, I am now in law ministry for doing some vetting in the because we are now because of unavoidable reasons. That's why actually I am now busy with my work job. So that's why I can't join in time. Actually, our policy team drafted this law because of because the cabinet have some decision about it that we have to convert tax ordinance into new tax law. That's why we have to we have some like a target to do it within June 2023. That's why maybe we have some clerical mistake or some confusion, but we our team always trying to do it as correct as possible. The main features of this new law actually we include some definitions, yeah, and to make it more clearly, and we separate new chapters. And in case of at source, like in the previous law, there is only one chapter on TDS, but in the new law we segregate in TDS, advanced income tax, and like a tax from a non-resident. And in the new law, we change our salary tax in case of private sector. Like in the previous law, we have some type of Rule 33 that is more that was more complicated. Now it is easier that now you can just make your gross salary. You can just compute your gross salary and just make it one third. And and the main features of another thing is we introduce some new provision like the like a tax from the shared transfer in the RGSC or domestic transfer pricing, or and we increase the tax in some cases, like from the cigarette and the carbonated beverage. And we have some prescription from IMF or development partners, but we actually don't follow the IMF prescription. We actually follow our own method, and sometimes it adapts with the IMF prescription. And in some cases we also change our we also increase our area in case of PSR. And in case of today we received a letter from the BTRC. I think it's related with the Nordic Chamber of Commerce. The MTOB today wrote a letter to NBR that BTRC have no PSR. So that's why they have to deduct tax at 15% instead of 10%. And we already discussed with our chairman, and according to law, actually the BTRC have to submit the return, and unless they the mobile phone company have to deduct tax at 15%. So I think it's related with the telco company like Grameen Phone. And we also increase some taxes in case of real estate and the in other area. And we reschedule our we also rearrange our schedule, and we also include some new provision in case of individual tax return. Like that, we before in the income tax as per income tax ordinance 1984, we people have need to take the time petition and something like that. But now you don't need to take the time petition or like that. You have the full independence to submit your tax file in any time of in the year. But after the tax day, you need to pay extra tax, and you can't claim the investment rebate. So I think this is the, and we also reconstruct the audit procedure. Like in many cases, the foreign companies or multinational companies, they always make some comment on our audit procedure. So we rearrange our audit procedure because and now I think it will be more transparent, and the deputy commissioner and it will reduce the discretion power of the DCT. So now it will be more fruitful, and I think now we will have a good a better output from the audit procedure. And I think this is the main features of our new tax law. And we will we also, and that is also another confusion about the rules. Many taxpayers asked us about the rules, when it will come and when they will follow the rules on the tax return or something like that. Actually, in the section 344 of the new tax law of 2023, we actually savings our we actually protect our old clause in the rule, so you can follow the old rules of 1984 until and unless we change the rule under 1984. So I think there is no confusion about your tax return procedure or like that. We will formulate the a new rule within very short time, and then you can follow our rule. So I think now I think this is the main features of our tax law. And if you have any question, then I will answer it. Okay, thank you.